I've not been recording. This is serious. Okay. Let's see. RSBW. Let's go to the next phase of it. So we are using autopsy to analyze our evidence. It's autopsy we are using to analyze our evidence. So you start autopsy. I have the 4.193 on this system. So autopsy. Doctor, you were asking if the deleted file is part of these listed files here. That was the question you were asking. So we will check now. We will see if they are part of it. It's autopsy that will tell us. So because this is investigative tool, you always see them talk about case. So now you're opening a new case now. You click new case. What's the case name? You give it a name. I don't know. Just give it a name that is, I think I will give it the village lab. The village lab. So the base directory, you can just choose a folder where the report will be analyzed and kept. That's what it's asking here. So I will choose, there's a folder I created for this. You can choose just a folder. You can create a separate folder, not the same folder you created to acquire the evidence. You create a separate folder. So in it, I will, I will just, let me put it on the desktop. Let me create a new folder here. Let me name it, how do I name it again now? Let me name it, I have class already. The last cohort is class I use. So let me use investigation. So I use investigation to, this is the folder. No, go back. So I select the investigation folder. I created a folder, I name it investigation. I selected it. So you see it here like this. So this tool, there is option of using multi-user. If you are using the paid version, you can use multi-user. What it means is the tool is set up on a network. Another agent can be analyzing some things. You too, you can be analyzing something at the same time. But for this, our class purpose is a single user because the tool is not set up on a network. So the next thing to do is you click next. So now it's asking for case number. As usual, you can give it any name. Case number 1, the examiner's name, phone number, his email address, already specified. Then you can click finish. Now it's creating database for this. Then before you now add evidence, the next step is to, what we just did now, we just created a case. Now we'll now start adding evidence. We call it data source or evidence source. So now it's asking that we select the host, just use this one. Go next. Now, what we have is a logical file from my end. So you click logical file, or you click Dix image, depending on what you acquired. So now you can, okay, I think it's Dix image. Yes. So you click next. Select data source. Select data source. You click, you browse. It's not class. We are going to Where, can somebody remind me, is practice, yes, practice. So please take note here. Everybody, please pay attention. You see that the folder we created is practice. And the only thing we are seeing there is flash drive EO1. That's the only thing we are seeing, because all other ones that are EO2 to EO10, they are like child to this one. So all you just need to pick is just EO1, that's all. It will bring up all other evidences into play. I don't know if that is understood, please. I want affirmation that we understand this. I want affirmation that we understand what I just explained.
Sir, I don't understand, sir. Please, can you move back a bit?
I should go, okay, now.
From the acquisition.
Okay, after we have acquired the evidence now, we want to add data source. After we at least you know how we created the case. We have created a case now.
Yes, sir.
So now you want to add data source. That's, you are selecting your data source. Look at this now. That's the evidence you have acquired. Where is the evidence? Is the evidence you want to add. So you come here, you click browse.
Okay, sir.
You go to the folder where the evidence is saved. In our own case, we save it in practice. So you open practice.
Okay, sir.
So opening practice now, the only thing you are seeing here is flash drive EO1, just only EO1. But if you open practice from this place, you will see that you have EO1, EO2, EO3, EO4, up to EO10. Now,
yes, sir.
Yes. So now, this is the only EO1 is what is required, because this EO1 will link to the EO2, EO3 by itself. That's what it will do. It will link to itself, to it by itself. So the only thing you are going to bring up is EO1. So you do this. So your time zone, you can change your time zone. This particular computer I'm using this is the correct time zone, is -6. I'm using this. So you can change it. If your own, it will pick the correct time zone by itself. Then you click next. Now this is what we call ingest. Now these are the actions it will perform on the evidence. The evidence we have now, that means this number one now, it will check recent activities. It will check hash lookup. It will check file type identification. It will check extension. It will check all. Let's see if it's all the things that are here now. It will check it from the evidence. It's coming in. Hold on, please. Let me check. Somebody is trying to join. Okay. So you will see the evidence. The evidence. All these things you are doing are the actions it will perform on the evidence. So you can select all, but the more things you select, the more time it will take for the ingest. So you click next, then it will add it's trying to add it, then before it will now start analyzing it when it's finished adding. So let's give it some time. This process is to take time. So, but let's give it some time. We don't have choice to give it this time. So after it does this, after it added, it will now start doing the ingest. Okay, go ahead.
Sir, I discovered that cyber triage malware scanner was not checked, and Plazo.
In your own,
can we leave it like that, or
in your own? You can check your own.
Okay, sir.
You can check your own. Now, one of the things I want you to take your time to study is all those ingests, all those things you listed that is listed in this place that you are checking now. Find out from the internet, what does each of them mean? Do you understand? Find out from the internet, what does each of them mean? So that you don't have to perform all of them on your evidence in all times. There are some that are not, that will not be relevant to the case at hand. So you find out that. So, yes, go ahead, unmute yourself and
speak. Right, sorry, this select host, we're using the generate host that they got lost around that side.
You said what?
For this select host.
Yes.
We have three options: generate new host name based on data source name.
The first one, the default one of that's the one you use. Yes.
Check already. Okay.
Yes. So you see it has finished adding. So you just click finish. So when you click finish now, the evidence will start analyzing. You check now is 9%. down, you see down here, it's showing 9%. It will start analyzing the evidences. And our aim in this class is to see deleted files. You will see the deleted files. It's analyzing now, it's about 9%. Now, depending on the size of the, this thing, depending on the size of the, what is interesting about this guy? Okay. Depending on the size of the evidence for it to take place. So
I also noticed something.
yes, ma'am.
Why we started this process, I saw that it created a database. What is the essence for that
It's
database?
for your reports. Because everything you are doing here now is also being stored in is an SQL-like database, so that everything you do here is stored somewhere. Do you understand? It's for your reports. When you finish now, you see like generate reports now. Here, you will generate reports. It will give you reports of everything, of the evidence, the evidence you have analyzed. Do you understand, ma'am?
Okay.
So any Olajide, how far with your own?
Yes, I discovered that second to the last label
It's also not checked.
it shows danger. It shows change red alert.
So roll over
Then
it.
I discovered that there was nothing like progress bar
In this place here like this. Is it here like this?
Yes, ma. Yes, sir.
This down here like this.
It's not there. Yes, it's not there, sir.
Okay, have you clicked finish? Have you completed? Have you finished acquiring?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Maybe your evidence is not large as mine, and maybe it has finished. So what are you seeing from your left pane here like this? All these places here. You should be seeing something. Okay, you sent it to group, right?
I see. Yes, sir.
There's no any evidence here. It's not analyzing. It's not analyzing yet. Maybe open these deleted files. Just explore, open all these things by the side like this. Open them up. Is there anything? Are you seeing anything there? Like these deleted files, are you seeing or like numbers like this? Like in my own case now, we are trying to recover deleted files. You see, I have a lot of deleted
files. I see file system, 31 of them. They're all 31.
Okay, so good. So did you delete anything? You can find what you deleted. You can find it there if you can see it. In our own case, we deleted one work we call secret. It's no longer in the flash. We deleted it. So, but here now we can see all the things we deleted. I also mentioned that things you can recover from a flash can be larger than the flash itself. Because that's why I say we should look at how delete work on Windows. How delete work on Windows. That's why I said we should look at how delete work on Windows. So you see, these are all the deleted files. All the files that have ever been deleted on this flash from as far back as you can take. So you see, this is even date, see 2024. As far back as 2024. You see them there. And we have more, about 3,000 files. See, as far back as 1998. You see, 2019. As far back as then, you can see things that were deleted in this flash. Please check yours. The ingest is still ongoing, it's still 42%. So, doctor, what's the progress report from your end? Mr. Levinus, what's the progress report from your end?
I think mine is Charlie said I was able to get. I saw the deleted file from my
on your
document.
okay.
Yeah.
So that means we were able to
I
achieve
saw all the files.
all the
And
files.
I had all the deleted
Okay,
the
okay,
flash.
that's good. I saw. Okay, Mr. Emma, you came a bit late, though.
I know, sir. It works, sir. I'm just leaving Ireland now. Going home.
Okay, what we'll do, I will announce in the class. I will hold another 1 hour session because of you.
So it means
So give me time.
that
Okay, go ahead, ma. Doctor, go ahead, ma. Doctor, you were saying something.
so it means because now, assuming the yes, assuming that the owner of the flash or the
Your line is breaking, ma. Is it from my
person that
end?
wants to run
Is it from my end?
this
Is there anybody hearing her very well? It's breaking from my
analysis
own end.
No, the line is
didn't know
breaking.
that
Okay, our line is
they
breaking.
were
Still breaking.
Doctor, you are breaking.
yes, am I not
Your line is breaking, ma.
audible enough?
We can't hear you.
The line is breaking. But you can speak now, let's
Other
hear. Other members too are
members,
not
are you not
hearing.
hearing me?
Yes, they are not hearing you well.
We can hear you now.
Oh, okay.
Ma, speak. Let's see if we can hear you. So you can see that even the email addresses there's a lot of email address in the flash. Maybe a text file that contains email addresses. You can see them. You see them, GD. Okay, this should be Ubuntu or Kali. Yes, these are Kali files. Okay, Ma, can you speak again? I'm not hearing you. I want us to do the last practical for the day. Okay, meanwhile, while she's trying to put up, Emmy, I'm not here. Emmy, are you still here?
Yes, I'm here, sir.
Okay, so give me a time. I'll schedule a 1 hour session with you, and there are one or two persons that is also not here. So give me a time today, so that I'll schedule and so that we can meet up and do some catch up. But you have to watch yesterday's video. I noticed you have not watched it.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yes, I shared it in the group. So give me a time so that we can work with. That's your time today.
Okay, sir. I'll finish your WhatsApp, sir.
Okay, sorry. So Olajide, you can speak. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. I want to ask, am I still on board or with these results?
Yes, you are on board now. You have seen your results now. Is it still that means your flash is not live?
Or output that I have?
Yes, you are still on board. You are correct. See, my own is still analyzing. That's because the flash is, I think it's 16 gig and it's long. I've been using it. And there's a lot of things there. So that's why it's still analyzing it. But
Okay, sir.
yes, you are on board. You are correct. So meanwhile, there's a case in that particular this course we are to do. There's a case there that we are to look at. How do I even share this thing with you people? there's a case we have to look at. We have to look at there. There's a file that was given that we have to look at. So I want us to just quickly look at it, then we'll analyze it. It's a technical issue. So we'll do that in the next. What's the time says now? We'll do that in the next. In the next 20 minutes. We'll do that in the next 20 minutes. Okay. Yes. In that module 1, in that course, there's an hands-on, there's a practical in it. And it came with a file and a document. I believe everybody would get to see it. So it came with this file, this document rather. So you going through this document alone, you'll be able to do the practical we did in class today. So it came with a sample file too. You see it, ch1.dd. Now I want us to add this as an evidence. I want us to add this as an evidence to this so that we can it will alter this thing. Okay, let me allow this one to finish first. Okay, can I even send this to you? Can I send it across in the group chat? Who has downloaded this particular file? Who has downloaded it in chapter 1 of the course? This module 1 hands-on activity. Anybody has downloaded it? Or can you download it? Will the network permit you to download? Okay, go ahead. You wanted to say something? Olajide, you wanted to say something?
No, sir. I wanted to tell you that I've not downloaded it, sir.
Oh, okay.
Even I'm able to access the site.
That's serious. So please keep the link I shared in the groups. That's the one that will take you straight to the course. That's the one that will take you straight to the course. Please, let's try as much as possible to get that, because that's where we'll get certificate from. I know it's an international body. That's where we'll get certificates from. Okay. Mr. Levinus Alpha, were you able to download this thing for module 1? Or we should leave it for tomorrow?
I'm currently downloading it.
Oh, you are downloading it. Okay.
I think I just downloaded it.
Oh, okay.
I just did.
Oh, okay, good. So just go through it. Let me give that as assignment to everybody. Let me give that as assignment to everybody so that tomorrow when we meet in class, we'll start with it. So there's an assignment. Please help me post it in the group that we should download that module 1 activity and practice it at home. Then tomorrow we'll come and analyze the case. Tomorrow we are coming to class as investigator. We'll come and everybody will give reports. What were you able to find? You show evidence. You have to build. Tomorrow you have to build a case. You have to build a case. Everybody is going to come and talk on their own. You'll be given 5 minutes to defend whatever your findings is. So please, I want us to go through it. It's a simple walkthrough, very simple. You see, they will give you step by step. Look at the document here. Step by step. You see, step by step. There's step by step of what to do, of how to go about it, everything. They just did not tell you the story, but they will tell you everything on how to go about. So I just want us to come to class tomorrow. We'll now come and, we'll argue for and against. So that's that. So to generate reports, although this one is still ongoing, it's 71%.
Today, oh.
You said what, ma?
The network is frustrating today. I don't know what the problem is.
Honestly.
Maybe I'll fry akara for you to
Ah.
allow me to be part of this class.
You want to do sacrifice? Okay. So I may announce another 1 hour session for today. It's not compulsory. I'm just going to repeat what we did today, this afternoon. It's not compulsory, but I will just announce another 1 hour. It may be much late in the night. It's not compulsory to be optional. And if you don't attend, you will not miss anything. But if you attend, you will gain something, because we are going to walk through whatever we have done today again with some people that were not in class. So you don't have to come, but anybody that has time within that period can come. So, and I know that period network will be better. Anything from that 9, 10, 11 like that will be better. At least from experience. Except busy place like Lagos, that's the time people wake up. But we that Abuja will just, that's the time we are going to bed. Network seems to be better at that time. So to generate reports, for those of you whose analysis has finished, just click generate reports. Choose HTML. You can choose whichever format you want here, but HTML will give you a good distance. Choose HTML. You can just go next and just click the particular evidence. You click it. Then if you have more than one source of evidence, it will show here. So you can now check the ones, click next and finish. That's what, but my own is still analyzing. So that being said, at least we have been able to see the files that were deleted from this flash. We have been able to see the secrets.txt we deleted. Look at it here. See the date was deleted 2026, 4th of May 2026, 11:46. I'm using US time. That's why it's showing that time. Yes. So you see it. So you can extract this file. You can export it and see what it contains. You can export it. Maybe it's part of your evidence. You can export it and say, okay, I want to, you can export it and you now see what it is as part of your evidence that you want to. So this particular file, he copied it from. Look at it. He used this flash to copy it. You can see it and analyze that. So there's a lot of things here. But we have not. Maybe tomorrow we'll try and see how they come in. You see metadata. You can see a lot of other results that can help you. But in your report, it will give you all the analysis that is that actually that will help you build your case. I don't know if you got them. I don't know if you got it. Any question?
Yes, I have a question, sir.
Okay, please go ahead.
After picking the HTML report,
Yes.
there are two text boxes there. We have header and footer. What should we write there, sir?
Leave it. You can leave it blank.
All right, sir.
Just go to next and export. So it will open up the report. I think I should complete this report even before this thing completes. So that's the wise.
Then there are options. Are we to report all results or all tag results
All
or
results.
specific tag results?
All results. We did not tag anything. All results.
All right, sir.
We did not tag anything. All results. It's when you tag like this now, you tag something, you tag it, oh, this a good evidence, you now add to tag. Add file tag, so those are the things that I say they are talking about. We just do a plain report. That's what we did now. So have you seen the report?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you go through it, you see
it doesn't.
Okay, it doesn't do what? To open on the browser.
It doesn't have many information.
And that means the flash you have, there's no much things. There's no much things there. The evidence you're analyzing, there's no much things. So download this evidence, this one from this place. You see it here, this one. Download it. You see download folder here. Just download this folder.
Sir.
It contains these two things. Download folder, it contains these two things. Then when you download it, this is the evidence you're analyzing, this is the activity, hands-on activity, this is step-by-step document that gives you everything.
Okay, sir.
Yes, so download it. I will also share some further materials, YouTube videos, one course. Let's just be proceeding. Let's be moving and see how we'll go. So any question, comments from Mr. Levinus, Doctor, so that we can we can take. I know the network today is not friendly. I don't know what's happening, but again. So since there are no questions, please, in case you try anything and you're having issues, you can drop message in the WhatsApp group. Just drop message. I expect
Hello,
us to
sir.
drop message. You said something?
Okay, yes, I'm just going through the report now. So the case summary I'm getting is just, I think the processes, as in from the case number, the examiner, we have the summary information, then now the index history. But I can't see any other information. Is this how the report result comes?
It depends on the activities that happen on the flash. Like my own now. Let me open this one up. Depend on the activities that happen on the flash, on the particular evidence you are reporting. Now look at this. Where is this document? It's here. See how to to get reports. You know, I want you to go through this one. You add some tag. We did not tag anything here now. Here's how to add it. Here's how to add it. Yes. Then from here now, there are some things that happen here. So when you now generate reports for this one, you will see some letters, some emails. This actually I understand what you are saying.
Okay.
I understand what you are saying. So this the report for this one now. This you now see. You get just do this activity. You have a broader knowledge of what the report looks like. Please build a case. I want you to build a case either for or against the people involved in this matter. You have to build a case either for or against. You just have to take side. Your report has to show. You have to take side and show evidence for the case here. You have to. This is very interesting. Short. I'm just remembering one or two things. In one of my classes, I grouped the class into two. One was building for, one was building against, and it's a very interesting case. Very interesting case to look at. So please, I want everybody to look into this case. Everybody look into this case, please. Doctor, are we together, ma'am?
The case from the IT master, right?
I got cut off at some point because of network, so I'm still struggling to get updated.
Okay, so I'm just saying that's module 1 activity that we should all lay our hands on it before the next class. Please, let's lay our hands on that module 1 activity. It's a walkthrough, a step-by-step walkthrough.
Is it on this? Sorry, sir. Is it on this link you shared, the IT master?
Yes, the module 1 activity. You find it here. You find the document. This module 1 hands-on activity. Just download this folder. It comes with the evidence and the document, the PDF, the document that would give you a walkthrough. That's step by step of what you will do, the guide, step by step. So it's just for you now to bring in your investigative sense into it, and now also look at it and say, oh, this is what happened, this is what happened, this is what you think transpired between this, and so that we can now proceed from there. I'll also share some evidences tomorrow that we can also look out for. Are we good, ma'am?
Okay.
It's all right. Mr. Levinus, I know you have started, because you have downloaded it. Have you started?
Not yet, sir.
Oh, okay. So please, let's lay our hands on it. It's a very interesting case. So we'll treat it in our next class. So if there are no further questions, Olajide,
sir,
yes, ma'am.
Sir, for all the evidence that we've been able to gather,
yes, ma'am.
FTP, what's it called again?
FTP, File Transfer Protocol.
FTP Imager, yes. It's just for us to access
FTK Imager is to create the image.
FTK Imager
is to create the image.
To create the image.
So that you don't work directly.
You don't
work directly on the evidence.
Okay. Okay, and then we now use it on
autopsy.
autopsy
Yes,
for
yes, yeah. We
analysis.
now analyze it. Autopsy is used for analysis.
Okay.
Yes. So in the class activity I asked us to do, you don't have to use FTK Imager because the image has already been acquired. You just use autopsy to analyze it. I don't know if you understand me. Okay. So are there other questions or contributions before we call it today? Meanwhile, I will share, I think this thing is not heavy. It's something that I can share in Drive for you people. This thing is just how many kilobytes? It's not heavy. Before you say you are not able to download it. This is just, what's the size again? This is just 1.4 MB. And the 1.4 MB, the document too will not be heavy now. Let me see if I can push it up. The document too it's not heavy. It's just 7 MB. So it's not something that is heavy. I will put it in Google Drive now and share the link. So are we good? Are we good now? Any questions? Or we can call it a day. So since nobody is asking questions, so that means we can call it a day.
Please, could you help us drop the recorded version, please?
Okay, I'll drop the
So
recording.
that,
I'll drop the recording.
please, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. It's all right. So, Olajide, are we good? Olajide, are we good? Mr. Levinis, we are good, ba. So, Ima, we'll continue in our chat, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, it's all right. So, thank you all for joining today's session. See you in our next class. Please, if you have any question, you can always drop in the group chat. We'll attend to it. Thank you so much.